I will guide you to design this kind of flyer. So what will happen is that you can ask ChatGPT anything, but what ChatGPT will give you back depends on the question you put. With the question is called the prompt. So now let me show you something. You just tap here. You can use your camera, upload photo, upload files. This is how to you can create image, deep research, search on web, and so on. Now what I'm going to do, I want to upload a picture, and then because I have a picture already that I want this chat GPT to put that picture there in the design. All right, so now you tap on picture to use. So I want to use this Mathscope Academy. You are free to tap. When you tap like this, you can highlight and include many pictures. So I just want to put one picture, and then I tap it, and then you tap done. It will enter here. So what I want to do is that I want to ask ChatGPT to design a flyer for Friday meeting. So this is the prompt already. This is Friday mathematics in real life. So what I want ChatGPT to do for me is I will tell ChatGPT that the attached picture is the official logo of Mathscope Academy. So I will now ask ChatGPT to use it as a logo to do what? To design a flyer to promote this event. All these things you are seeing here are called the prompt. So these are the prompts. The prompt is what? The attached picture is the official Mathscope Academy logo, design a flyer to promote what? I put this thing in a quotation. This is a quote now. So this one means that all these features will be inside the design. So ChatGPT will do what? Will use this information to generate the flyer. Now I will tap on send. This arrow that is up now, you wait for it to. Now you can see it's creating image. You wait for it to load. It might take up to 30 seconds, 1 minute, in some cases 2 minutes. So you have to be patient to finish. We can also start maybe typing on what to say. The keywords you are going to write alongside this picture. For example, now you can say write a compelling caption for this flyer. Now see the pictures here. Can you see? They are suggesting two images for me to choose the one that I like. Can you see? So which one can I choose now? And it has used the Mathscope. Can you see the Mathscope official logo is there in the two? So I like the two, so I don't want to choose anyone. So I will send this one. I'll send this. It will generate a message for me. I'll just copy. Now this is copy. You tap here to copy, and it will now enter your clipboard. This thing is called clipboard. This place. So when you tap here, you see it. You can pin the message. I I actually have a lot of messages in my clipboard. So that's it.